Guarantee that's a jet. I could hear it from a far, far distance. I don't know if you guys could hear it. Listen. Minus all these cars that weren't there about 5 minutes ago. And it's extremely loud, and it sounds like it's just flying around the city. But not around here. One o'clock in the fucking morning right now. It's gone in the distance. I don't know what else, is that loud. And yo, we have a. What is that over there? That's. What the fuck? I hope that's a fucking plane because, whatever it is, it's still around the area. It's a plane just lurking around the area, flying around the area. Because I could still hear it. I don't know if you guys could hear it on the fucking camera, but normally they fly and then they take off in the distance, but I could still hear it. There we go. Whatever it was is gone now. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that, it's gone.